So here is the app TeraBox. It is getting in the top charts right now in all category and productivity category. So cloud storage space had 1024 gigabyte storage space. TeraBox is a free cloud storage tool for documents, backup, files share, and video storage. Get 1 terabyte of secure cloud storage, transfer files across your all devices, share it with family and friends. Free cloud drive for backup your documents safely. Upload multiple types of files to TeraBox. Multiple privacy protections. Share files in TeraBox via iMessage. Safely store your file with any devices. Quickly access recent and important files. So yeah, here you have that, and then you can just tap Get, double click to install, and then you will be able to install it. So yeah, that's the idea. Fast upload, download, auto video backup, HD playback. So yeah, let's just open it up. This app has already 10,000 ratings. You can allow notifications, you can agree, and then you can just easily create your account with Apple, Google, or Facebook. So if you just tap on Apple, you can easily create an account. You can enable photo backup, and then you can get additional things, and then there are all of these deals here. You can automatically enable video backup, so it's kind of like alternative for Google Photos. You can back up some of your files. I guess this is like a Chinese app. It has very similar design to some of the Chinese apps you have here. And then yeah, here you just see all of the overviews. You can collect this storage, but to claim this storage you need to enable auto backup, upload one file, view pictures, view videos, invite friends. And then to invite friends you need to share this link, invite your friends to download and sign up for TeraBox through this link. Successful invitations will earn you 714 gigabytes. So yeah, that's basically what you can use here. So that's the idea, and then you can just tap and share it. And yeah, that's the idea. So hope that can be helpful. And then there's a start guide. You can enable photo access. I just don't want to mess it up here. I use Google Photos, but I'm just showing you out. Like, it can be really interesting app, a nice alternative to some many file sharing apps. You can share files, and it's super convenient to use just from your phone. And then there is TeraBox Premium. You can use $2 per 1 month, and then I don't know, then the price can increase to like $7. So, and then you have 2 terabytes large spaces, high-speed downloads, multi-speed video playback, HD images, all of these things. So yeah, just interesting app. And then you can earn some additional stuff just by watching ads. So yeah, I think this app is, I think it can be a nice idea. Obviously, it just has a bit of too much buttons, everything. You know, it's not that focused, but quite interesting idea. So give it a try.